Kharyzma, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my fall collection of lip gloss. I have it right here. This is my Fall Vibes collection, and you can find this on my website at Kharyzma4u.com. I just wanted to share a little bit of each of these glosses so you can kind of see what they're looking like on your lips. And I'm gonna, in the next part of the video, show you how I actually made this collection. So the name of the collection is Fall Vibes Collection, and you will get 3 glosses in this bundle. So it's a really good deal, and as you can see, it's fall colors. This one is called Copper Vibes. This one is called Auburn Vibes, and this one is called Coffee Vibes. So I thought it was really good to do a collection with colors that you don't see in my normal collection. For those of you guys who know me and have been watching my channel, you know that I love bright, vibrant, saturated colors. So those are mainly the colors that I use for my glosses, my first collections coming out with my glosses. So for the fall collection, I thought that I would do something a little bit different. These colors are darker, they're fall vibes just like you see, and they are a limited edition, so you probably won't see this again until next fall, and most likely next fall I'll probably have a different collection. So get them while you can, guys. So we'll start with the Copper Vibes, and I'll show you what that's looking like. Probably gotta get close. Yeah, guys, so this one has a tint to it. But as you can see, it's really shiny. I love the consistency, and I love that it goes on really smooth. So it's not very thick, and it's not watery. It's like in between a nice gloss. Like if you like your lips to be shiny, glossy with a little bit of tint, these glosses are really good for that. So you see that. So this one again is the Copper Vibes. So I'm gonna wipe it off and then try another one for you guys. So this one is Coffee Vibes. So this one is a little bit darker than the Copper Vibes, as you can see. It's a different shade, and it's a little bit darker of a brown. So this one, as you can see, you see the brown? Yeah, hold on. I love it. So you see it's a light brown, but it's glossy and shiny, and I love it. And these are infused with coconut oil, so they will definitely moisturize your lips. Your lips will not be dry. Trust me, I use my own glosses and I just love them. I've always loved lip gloss, and I'm just so excited that I'm able to make my own. They are animal cruelty-free vegan glosses, and they're infused with coconut oil, so they're really good for your lips. So now I'm gonna try the Auburn, and this is a deep auburn color, and I love this one too. I love all of them. You can see like a reddish. Some more. So you see that tint of red. It is a little tint, but it's glossy and it's pretty and it's moisturizing. So for me, I know that that's what I want in a lip gloss. So if you're the type of person that you like a nice consistency, a nice little gloss, but not too much of a tint, these glosses are definitely really, really good. This one is again from my Fall Vibes collection, and it's from Kharyzma4u, which is the name of my brand. And check them out at www.kharyzma4u.com, and stay tuned for the rest of the video where you'll see how I made my glosses. And if there are any of you out there wanting to start a lip gloss business, I can definitely help you with that. I have starter kits available for people who want to start a lip gloss business but don't know where to get all their supplies and they don't have time to go around searching and getting everything. I have available what's a starter kit, and it comes with everything that you need to get you started at a reasonable price, and it'll give you a chance to see if this is something that you want to do, if you feel that you'll be comfortable without having to spend a lot of money at first. Definitely try out my starter kits, and I have a whole lot of other things that will help you get started too. So I'm just so happy to be able to create for you guys, and I hope and know that you're gonna love it. Guys, so this is all of my supplies that I'll be using to make my fall collection. There goes my lip gloss base, and I'm just squeezing it in the bowl, and I'm actually measuring my base. This is the first time that I'm measuring and weighing the base as well as the oil. I'm using fractionated coconut oil. Now I'm still trying to get my measurements right, so I can't tell you exactly how much I used of what yet. I want to perfect it first before I start to tell you measurements, but I think measurements are the way to go. My batches came out really, really good, and I'm going to continue to work on measuring and weighing everything so that my formulations can be exactly the way I want it. Remember guys, your formulations will be different because it all depends on what you're going for in terms of consistency and color and tint for your lip gloss. So that's me just mixing in the Auburn Vibes, mixing that in, and I'm putting my scented oil. And I'm gonna do this 3 times on the video, so you'll see me do this 2 more times so you'll get an idea. That's me putting in the mica powder, and this is after I already mixed in the oil with the base, mixing it in. At first I usually start off slow and then I speed up with the mixing. Yeah, and you just want to keep mixing, making sure there are no air bubbles in it, making sure everything is really, really smooth, and making sure it's the right consistency depending on what you want for your brand. And there I am putting in the scented oil again and stirring that in, making sure everything is nice and smooth. So that's the 3rd color that I'm using, and I'm stirring it in. Yep, that's the consistency that I like. Not too thin and not too thick, somewhere in between. And there I go, putting in the scented oil again. And there it is, I have all of them done. So now I'm putting my glosses into the syringe, and I'm using the 60mm syringes and just filling them up. And yeah, I'm gonna do that 3 times because I'm doing 3 fall colors. Yeah, and that's the 3rd and last color. And I'm just putting in the bottom part of the syringe. There we go. So now I'm filling in my squeeze tubes. Those are 10mm squeeze tubes, guys, and I have those available on my site for purchase. But you want to go side to side to side when you're filling in your tubes to make sure there are no air bubbles. And yeah, next color I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just wiping it off. It could get really, really sticky. yeah, so I'm just going side to side to side to side till I fill it up. Don't fill it all the way up to the top or the stopper will not be able to go on. And this is my last color. There we go. Yep, and now I'm putting on the stopper and the cap. Later on, I'm going to wash off my tubes because it is really sticky, but those are my 3 colors. And there you go. That is my fall collection. I love it. You can get them at www.kharyzma4u.com. Thank you guys so much for watching.